Hello everyone, welcome back to Zealous to Learn. Today I want to talk about something that we all use every day, language. It's not just what is language, I want to talk about how language should be and why I think it should be clear, simple and easy to understand. So let's see what is language. Language is a method of communication. It is a beautiful thing in the world, and every animal has their own language. It is a tool. It is a bridge between minds and heart. It helps us to share our thoughts, ideas, and our expressions. It can be spoken, written, even expressed through signs and body language. I think language is for expression, not for showing off and not for competition. But nowadays I feel something is going wrong, especially with English language. People are making it too complicated. They use difficult vocabularies, long sentences, lots of idioms and phrases that most people don't understand those words or sentences. It is going very difficult for understanding, but I think language is a method or a medium of communication. It feels like a competition. Who can speak complex English and who can express easily? But let me ask you something. Is the goal of language to confuse others or to connect with them? So, how should be a language? I think language should be simple, clear, and easy to understand. It doesn't matter you don't know perfect grammar, even you have basic vocabularies, but it is the matter that you are able to express yourself in front of the people. If people can understand you easily, then you are going right. If people are able to understand and can understand, then you are successful. So I think our language should be easy and clear. There is no need to decorate your sentences to impress. You should make it easy and simple for expressing yourself. Nowadays people forget that it is a language not for showing off and not for competition. It is just for expression and just for expressing your ideas and your thoughts. So what do you think? Am I right or wrong? So let me know your thoughts in my comment section. If you like this message, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. And let me know in the comments what do you think about language and what does language mean to you. So please keep it up and keep growing. And I want to say one thing again here. Please speak from heart, speak clear, use simple words, be real, be you. It's not for showing off and not for competition. It is only for who you are. So keep it up and see you soon in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep learning and take care of yourself.